Every query starts with select, but understanding what Postgres actually does with that statement is what separates solid production code from a subtle bug waiting to ship. Select tells Postgres which columns to hand back to the client, but the engine resolves the from clause and any where filters before it ever trims the column list. Projection is the final step. Here we project 3 specific columns from the orders table. Postgres reads the heap pages for that relation and returns only those fields to the client, nothing more. AS works in 2 places, on a column or expression to rename the output, and on a table reference, so you can use a short qualifier elsewhere in the query. Expressions like multiplying by 1.1 are fully valid in the select list. Internally, Postgres pipelines this. The executor scans heap pages tuple by tuple, tests any predicates, then evaluates your target list, and discards the rest before sending rows across the wire. White tables with select star pay a real serialization cost. Running this against our small products table, Postgres returns 4 rows with the aliased ID column and the computed price in dollars, exactly the 4 columns we named in product ID order. When you see select star in a pull request targeting application code, flag it. It bloats the wire protocol, breaks when the schema grows, and locks out index-only scan optimizations the planner could otherwise use. 3 things to carry into your next review. Name your columns, use aliases to clarify intent, and remember that what you project does not change what Postgres scans, but it does change what travels over the wire.